Okay, let's do a full factory reset of your D-Lev. This will erase everything you've done on it, so you want to back up everything that you care about on it before you do this. So make it factory fresh and just the way that you got it when you first got it. So here I am in the all directory. I wanted to show you this one file, the bank file, 1-99 bank. I'm going to cat that just to show you what's inside of it, because we'll be using this bank file. So you can see that the first thing in the is just a text file. The first thing in it is Patsy. The next line is Patsy room, and so on until we get to line 1. So these are just how the presets will get loaded sequentially, starting wherever you tell it to start. So let's start at the librarian. Okay, open the port. Here we are. KDE, make sure it works. It does. Okay. Let's go to the all directory. Okay. Clean it up. Declutter. Alright. So here we are, and we're going to first we're going to do the presets. Let's restore slots 1 through 99 to what they were from the factory. So let's see, 1 dash, we want the bank file first, right? And we want to start at slot 1, and we want to do a bank to slot space. Right? So now what this is doing is it's taking the contents of every named file in the bank file and putting the contents into the slots on the D-Lev. So it's reprogramming the slots with the presets listed in the bank file sequentially. So since we put a 1 there, it does slot 1 first, and then slot 2, then slot 3, like that. Okay, so that restored slots 1 through 99. I recalled the command with the up arrow. Let's do this for -1. So what this will do is it starts at slot -1 and it'll go -2, -3, -4, like that. So we're restoring slots -1 through -91 sequentially with the same bank file. The name of the bank file doesn't mean anything in terms of the sequence. It's just what I called it. You could call it anything. You could use these bank files to you could have subsets of your presets like strings and vocals or whatever, and then put wherever you want in the files in terms of file names, preset file names, and then start wherever you want with loading them. So you could have like a vocals.bnk and start it at slot 20 or something, and it would go from 20, 21, 22, loading them like that. They're really handy. Alright, so that restored the negative banks, -1 through -99. I think when you got yours, I put cello 8 in slot 0. So we're going to put cello 8 in slot 0. This is a P to S, so it's a preset to slot. Right? And now we're going to restore the system presets. Sys 0 would be a P to S sys. So give it a slot. Okay. System 1, slot 1, system 2, slot 2, system 3 to slot 3. Alright, now our system slots are back the way they were when you got the kit. And now we can do the software. Let's put the software back to the way it was when you got the kit. So it'd be 2, 4. So that use the tab to autocomplete to get the SPI file, and we do a SPI pump. Right, this takes all the way to the end of the line. So what this is doing is it's putting the SPI file, the SPI software file, in the flash. The presets are in the flash too. They're not flash, they're EEPROM. I'm sorry, it changed at one point in the development process. So this is all EEPROM. EEPROM is better than flash. It doesn't wear out. You can write to it lots and lots and lots, and it doesn't wear out. Flash, you have to be a little careful about how much you write to it, because it wears it out. All right, so there it is. We can check it. Ver. Okay, so you can see that this ver is the same as the SPI name, so that verifies that what's in the EEPROM is the same, so it should be okay. And that's a factory reset. All right, thanks, bye.